3 more months to the O-Level exams and still unclear as to how to prepare for your English language paper? Still unsure as to what are signal words? Unable to provide 4 synonyms for the word ubiquitous? Always dreading the phrase, use your own words? Well, still in the dark as to what is PEEL? Fear not. My Stretcher Annual O-Level Bootcamp is here again to help you during this final lap before the exams. Now, for the English language paper, students often encounter problems like their essay writing, summary writing, and comprehension. Our team of secondary English specialist teachers will take you through tips and strategies on how to elevate the quality of your writing, as well as how to ace the comprehension section. You will be guided by way of exemplary and comparative essay modeling on how to write thoughtful and impactful, reflective, expository, and argumentative essays. You will also be shown how to craft logical, clear beginnings and conclude not with a whimper, but with a bang. Confused as to the demands of a literary text, unable to hear tone, detect irony, or having difficulties tracking who did what and who said what in the comprehension text? Do not be flustered. We will teach you techniques on how to handle figurative and literary comprehension questions and show you how to read a text visually and critically. Frustrated because you can never seem to do well for summary writing? At the bootcamp, you'll be taught foolproof methods which you can use to score at least 9 marks for your summary writing. We will show you what to include and what to exclude when summarizing, as well as practice, rephrasing, and do word replacement exercises to ensure that your summary writing is concise. You will be given comprehensive strategy notes to further assist you with your revisions towards acing the O-Level English language exam. Now, during the bootcamp, there will also be a team of my fellow English specialist teachers to help guide you and clarify any specific English language queries that you may have. Come join us at this one-stop bootcamp where we will help you maximize your O-Level performance.